How to send confidential email in Gmail. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can send confidential email in Gmail. Well, you can use the inbuilt feature of confidential mode in order to send confidential mail through Gmail. Well, how you can do so? Let me guide you. Simply open up Gmail either on the browser or whether you are using the app. Then proceed to compose a new email here. Now you can select the recipient who you want to send to, and you can select subject and compose your email. Once you have composed the email, what you want to do is you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner, right? Tap on it and then you can see confidential mode. Tap on it and enable confidential mode. You can set expiration date as well here in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month and such. For example, you want to set it for expiration in 1 day, you can select 1 day. If you want passcode, you can enable SMS passcode or standard passcode as well, and you can proceed to save it. And this way you can easily send confidential email in Gmail once you have set it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.